Hello everyone, welcome to our lab. In this video, we will teach you how to use the fine rendering feature to generate renderings. Select the fine rendering function in the precise rendering section and drag-upload the base image of the detailed model into the frame. Here, choose the matching project type. On the left, select the suitable template and choose the reference image you like. After selecting, click on Creative Generation. If you can't find a suitable one, you can also upload your own reference image. Next, upload a bird's eye view and select the urban type. The effect is really great. Give it a try yourself.